Hello students of class 8. Today I will explain another video, that is the second video of science number 16, right? And in this video I will mainly explain about the image and its type, right? In my last video I will explain about the laws of reflection, right? Laws of reflection of light. Today I will explain about the image and its type. Now, in class 7 also we all study about the image, right? But now today I will explain about the images and its type. Okay, before I start explaining this portion, please take out your notebook and pencil. Okay, please copy down this part. Now look here, today's portion is the image. Now how many this image? Now look here, image. Now there are two different types of images. How many types of images are there? There are two different types of images. Okay. Number one is the real image, and another one is the virtual image. Virtual image. Right. There are how many types of the image are there? There are two types. What are they? Number one is the real image, and the one is the virtual image. Right. Now look here. What is this real image? What is this real image? The most important part. There are two definitions of the real image. Okay, don't forget there are two definitions. Anyone you can write. Okay, the first one definition. It is defined as the image formed on screen. Now look here, in mobile you are seeing the some of the images, some videos, right? These are all the real images, right? Or in this one, the projector, you are seeing some of the videos, right? These are all what? Real images. Okay, but in the mobile this is seeing this all what? The video format. Okay, that is the different format of the real image. Okay, you will learn in the higher class. Okay, now these images means those images which are formed in the on the screen. Okay, now look here. Did you see this image? Okay, this image, the image of my this one face are seen on this screen. This is also real image. Okay, now another definitions of the image, that is and you can see the image which you are seeing on the screen, that is on the projector screen. Okay, that are also known as the real image. Okay, now look here, another definitions of this real image, that is it is defined as the image formed by the intersecting of reflected rays of light. Now look here, when the image is formed, due to the intersecting of the reflected rays of light. Intersecting means meeting. This word meeting. Intersecting means meeting. Right. When the image is formed due to the intersecting of the reflected rays of light, that's two or more reflected rays of the light, after reflect each other, they will form the one type of the image. That image is known as the real image. Right. Okay, this real image will always form on the screen. Okay, it cannot be seen inside your mirror, right? Or inside your mirror, okay, or inside your any polish surface or smooth surface. But this image will seen only on the screen, right? Now this is the examples of, this is the what real image. Okay, Now example you can write, there is so many examples, okay? You can write, okay, the image formed on the screen, the image formed by the headlights of the vehicles, right? These are the, or torchlight, okay? These are all examples of the real image, okay? I will give that is example. Projector, image seen on, image formed on the projector. Projector image you can write. Projector image. The image formed by the projector we can see on the screen, right? Headlight, okay? Image, torchlight, image, etc. These are some of the image which we are, this one form on the screen. They are the examples of the real image. Okay, please copy down. Done. Copy. Two types of the image. One is the real image and the one is the virtual image. The real image, the first definition is the image formed on the screen. Means it always form on the screen. Okay. The second one is this image, this type of the image will form due to the intersecting of the reflected rays of light. Right. Done. Okay. Next, number 2 is the virtual image. There are also two different definitions. Okay, the first one is, it is defined as the image, okay, cannot form on screen. Okay, cannot form on screen. In early morning, you are standing in front of your looking glass. You can see your image inside the looking glass. Right? This image which is seen inside the looking glass, this image could not form on the screen. Right? And this type of the image is known as the virtual image. Right? You got it? Yes. This type of the image is known as the virtual image. Or you can write another definition as, it is defined as the image, okay, formed by the intersecting of imaginary rays of light. When the image is formed due to the intersecting of these imaginary rays of light, not reflected, this imaginary rays of light, and this type of the image is known as the virtual image. Okay, please copy down this also. That is example, you can see this image formed inside the looking glass. Okay, image formed inside the mirror, looking glass or any other mirror inside. These are all known as the virtual image. Copy down this one. One is cannot form on a screen. Number 2 is form due to intersecting of imaginary rays of light. Okay. Done. Okay. Next, I will give this one more important points. Okay. That is, if the image is real, then it should be always inverted. Right? If the image is real, it should be always inverted. That means upside down. Right? Say this is the object. This is the object. Okay. This is the object. Okay. This is the object. Now, this object form the image on the screen. Now look here. This is the image. Now, this is the say this is the A portion. Say this is the B portion. A portion will be downward and B portion will be upward. Okay, this is known as the upside down, right? Upside down, and this upside down is known as what? Inverted. This upside down is nothing, that is known as the inverted. Look here, if the image is real, it should be always inverted. Okay, all the real image, okay, we will get the inverted image, right? That is always upside down. Let's copy down this one also. Done? Okay. Now, next, if the image is virtual, what will happen? If the image is virtual, okay? If you are standing in front of a mirror, then you will see your image inside the mirror, okay? Then is there any changes you and your image? Yes, the right side of your person will change into the what? The left side of the image, right? And our left side will change into the right side. Okay, these are the changes. Now, that is, if the image is virtual, then it should be always. It should be always lateral inversion, that is erect. Okay, there is side change. What? Side change. Right. Giving you an example, if you are standing in front of the looking glass, okay, your right side will be changed to the left side and left side will be changed to the right side. Okay, this changing of the side is known as what? Lateral inversion, or we can simply say that is known as the erect. Okay, now please copy down this. Okay, and dear student, please watch this video carefully. If you have any doubt or any confusion, let me know. Okay, thank you students for giving time. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.